Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, I'm Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And we get a look at a 2008 Winnebago View 24J model today. This is pretty cool. It's a single slide out corner bed floor plan, but it's got a couple unique items to it. So we'll be able to check all that out. So let's start on the outside. Let's check out the tires first and foremost. We got 215 85 R16s with the date code right above of 2121, if you can see that. So they're only a couple years old. It's on the Dodge Sprinter chassis, the 3500 chassis. Now, first up, you have a manual awning, and this thing does come out a fair bit further. Look at that, it gets pretty low. You can also, of course, lift it up, rise it up a little bit, but it will come down pretty far. Let me get that back into position so we can see it. All right, next up, you only have, I guess, one lower storage compartment on the passenger side, but it's not really storage. It's a cooler. Actually pretty cool. Stores in there. If you like partying, you like having a lot of drinks, that is a perfect little compartment for it. All right, now this coach is not full body paint. It is a decal coach. You can see some of those are starting to crack. With 99,500 miles on it, this thing actually looks extremely good. I'm very surprised this thing has so many miles. Definitely some pride of ownership in this coach. Next up, 3600 LP gen set was one of the options. And then check this out. This is one of my favorite parts. It's a corner bed floor plan. You got this extra, piece of mattress here, so it's a two-piece. But when you open this compartment, you have this just massive kind of storage area. Ladder stores in there, awning rods. And then let me lower this guy really quick. Show you how big this compartment door is. So I thought that was pretty cool, pretty unique. Very usable for the storage, especially when you lose some storage because of the cooler. All right. See your furnace right there on the back. Ladder up, backup camera. Oh, we got going on back here. 7-pin it looks like. I'll have to double check the tow rating. Got a vertical hitch load of 350 pounds, which means you're probably sitting at 3,500 pounds max towing for this. Let's get up on that roof. All right, little solar panel, couple skylights, AC, satellite. What else is up there? There's that little vent that I'll show you inside. And that's actually about it. Nothing too crazy. Oh, we're still way zoomed in. I'm sorry about that. Do have a mount for the spare tire on the rear wall. And then we got your dump station behind this compartment. Water inlets, outdoor shower, and then gray and black drains. Just a water tank right there. And make sure we got the same tires, 2121, we do. 30 amp power service. No auto transfer switch, so it does have to be, can you guys see that? It does have to be plugged in. Get that generator going and run everything. Now, no compartments on the slide either. Pretty minimal storage on this. When you open this compartment door, that's what it reveals. That's kind of funny. You think you'd be like, oh, what do we got? Nothing. All right, and then propane tank. Not sure what size it is. I'll look it up on the brochure and find out and put it on the screen. Ooh, baby, that sun is bright. Fuel fill right there. All right, enough fun on the outside. Let's head in. Put that in really quick. Right, so right when you walk in, this is what you see. You're greeted with the first and only slide out of the dinette. Got the kitchen, fridge, bedroom, and then of course, your cab area. Now if we step back, we'll notice there is an overhead sleeping area. You can hook it up there. It is also on some struts, but a pretty big, I would say close to a queen up there. Not sure the exact size. The dash AC in this thing works fabulously. Leather seats in a Sprinter, not too common these days. And these things actually got maybe a little mark on the headrest there. But overall, the seats look really good. They do not turn though. Usually your Sprinter seats turn, not in this situation. All right, so 99,515 miles. Everything else besides radio power and battery boost down there is all pretty much a Sprinter cab. A little glove box, a little bit of storage. Yeah, all right. Let's turn her around here. On the ground, those are slide locks. Slides in, you put that in between, hold the slide in place. Not required, but are a nice accessory. So as usual, we got some storage above the dinette. Look at these locking push button cabinet doors. Can't open it when it's locked like that. I love it. Day night shades throughout, pretty standard, especially in 08. Cloth dinette. And then some good pull-out storage there. We got the same thing on the other side, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Haven't figured out what that little black piece is for. I've been looking, and my initial thought was maybe in this like overhead vent area, skylight. It's too big. All right. Connections for 110, and then you got the DC inputs there if you want to charge something. Let's look at my floor plan really quick. There it is. One of the options was a couch in this area. It's got the dinette. We're selling this for $59,995. See the miles, some of the specs there, less than 25 foot. Specifications there, highlighted is the 24J specific model, and I did highlight the options, the one that say O. Not many options available for it, but it's got a few. If you have any questions on any of those or want a copy of it, I'll put all my contact info on the screen. Reach out to me, I will get you what you want. All right, next up we got the kitchen. So in the kitchen, before we get there, Jensen multimedia device, radio, ceiling lights, area for TV remotes, TV located right above the entry door, another area for TV remotes, a whole bunch of them. Up above the sink, more locking cabinets. Love them. Then you got to see, it's got all the connections for the satellite. There is, as you saw earlier, a satellite up there. It's probably outdated. Look how deep that is. That is a nice thing. Put a little cover too on it. And good storage down here. Another option, water filtration system. And then no locking mechanism on the drawers. That's pretty unique. A little sponge area. But a good amount of drawers, easy pulls. And then your pots and pans drawer. We do have no oven. You got a 3-burner stove top right there by Magic Chef. Little hood. And then your Sharp 2-in-1 convection microwave. Alright, and that's the kitchen. Just to the right of the kitchen, you can see whoever had this prior did a little upgrade on some speakers. Slide control, master slide switch, water heater. Generator has, I think, 570 hours on it. 526.3. Level testers. And then just to the right of that area is the only wardrobe in this coach. It's not a bad size. Automatic light that comes on. That is the only wardrobe. Now we'll flip her around here. Got the bathroom. We do have the fridge. Norcold 2-door. And then just to the left of that, breaker box down below, is your actual vanity for the bathroom. Another locking cabinet down below. Oh, I missed a light. There we go. And then a medicine cabinet. You do have a thermostat on. Oh my God, 95. Look at the sweat on that forehead. And then we'll back it up just a little bit. We got your bed. Like I was saying from the outside, it's a 2-piece bed. So both these cushions, this is a single piece so you can get to that storage under it, but it's actually solid. It's got some type of something in there to keep that mattress solid and not fall into the abyss. It is still a corner bed. It's not bad. If you do ever have to replace this mattress, it might be kind of tough because it is a split. And then bathroom to the right of that. Plastic toilet, decent amount of room in front, and then your, what is that, a 2x3 pan, maybe a little bit smaller. Pretty decent sized space, fantastic fan in the bathroom also. And then last but not least in the bedroom, I forgot to show it, but we do have, as usual, overhead compartments, and those should be for the front area, and then an open one back there. So There you go. That is this 2008 Winnebago View 24J with 99,000 miles. I never would have guessed this thing had this many miles. It was definitely taken care of. It's nice to see. So let me get the single slide in. I'll get all the compartments in and the awning in, and we'll see what that looks like. And there we are. So that dinette, which is really the only thing in this slide besides storage up above, is in. Pretty much the only thing that happens is your walkway is less wide through the kitchen area. And then right past this, nothing else changes. It's all the same, bathroom, bed, just the dinette. So very, very usable when this coach is closed up. You can still even watch TV or get to the overhead bunk. All right, let's see it from the outside. The right stairs, there we go. So here it is. This side won't look too crazy minus the awning being in. Now, if you have any questions on this unit or you actually want to inquire about buying it, I will put all my contact info on screen. Give you a cell phone number and email. Cell phones, texting is the best way to reach me. Or if you're just, want me to keep an eye out for another RV, I can definitely do that too. I love helping people. I got a lot of downtime. That's why I shoot so many dang videos of these things. So hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, subscribe, like the video. I'll help that algorithm out a little bit. But thank you so much for viewing. Have a great day. And good luck on your search for an RV.